Now that you have a website, you may think you can just set it and forget it. Nope, no. Your website is like a plant. You need to water it, give it sunlight, prune, protect it from bugs, and repot it from time to time. The first thing is always keeping your version of WordPress up to date. You can check on this and automate it through your dashboard, and you can do the same for plugins when they have updates. If ever you have issues with your website after an update, the first thing I always do is deactivate plugins one by one to see if one of them may be causing an issue. If you have plugins and themes you're not using, remove them from your site. And if you have users on your site who aren't active, remove their user accounts. Backups are another very important part of maintaining a website. Make sure your hosting provider is saving backups of your website or that you have a plugin doing it. The last thing you want is to lose all your hard work. Keep your website and hosting accounts secure with a strong password and two-factor authentication where available. And don't install anything you're not confident in. You can also run regular speed tests on your site to check the health of your site. If your website is super slow, you may want to compress some of your images, for example. You can also regularly check the health of your content by running a broken link scanner and broken page scanner. Cleaning up old content is a great way to maintain your site, but also to keep on Google's good side. And lastly, don't let your accounts expire. I've helped so many people who've gotten confused about their hosting and domain and WordPress logins and which services they have active where, and they've accidentally let their accounts expire because of a failed payment. In summary, keep your software up to date, have secure passwords, and set aside time to do health checks on your website, and you should be on track.